Hey everyone, this is Subhashmita. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you this smoky eye look. So let's get started. Here I'm using Kama Rose Water as a toner, and here I'm gonna moisturize my lips. I'm using NY का primer. And quickly do my eyebrows using Swiss Beauty का eyebrow and gel liner palette. I'm using Fit Me का foundation. then थोड़ा सा warm up कर लूँगी. उसके बाद I'm gonna apply it all over my face and neck. Then I'm gonna blend it. Here I'm using Maybelline का concealer. आइज़ को कंसील करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है because we are creating a smoky eye look. Now using a loose powder, I'm gonna set the base. Since I'm working with dark shade, I don't want to ruin my base, so I'm gonna apply a little bit more loose powder under my eye. And to set my eye base, I'm gonna put this brown shade all over my eyelid. Then here I'm applying gel liner as close to as my lash line. I'm gonna smudge it using a smudger brush. I'm gonna blend it nicely. Here I'm applying some more liner, and then again I'm gonna blend it. Stretch with your finger so that you can blend it nicely. Actually, smoky eye is a process of adding color and blending so that you can achieve a good smoky eye look. Then again blend it. So here I'm taking this black shade and I'm gonna put over it, and again I'm gonna blend it. Here you can see the difference between two eyes. Now I'm gonna blend the other one. अच्छे से ब्लेंडिंग कीजिए so that कि कोई भी हार्श लाइन ना रहे. Here I am blending the crease line. I'm using a brush and I'm gonna wipe out the fallout. Here I'm using Lakme का काजल And I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line and my upper lash line as well. After applying kajal, I'm gonna smudge it. Using this shade to contour my face. And from the same palette, I'm taking this blush and apply it on my cheekbone. And I'm taking highlighter and I'm gonna apply it on the highest point of my cheekbone. And the cupid bow and chin. Curl my lashes. I'm using Maybelline का mascara. And here I'm using Lakme Absolute का lipstick, liquid lipstick. After this, I am using Sugar Color liquid lipstick. I'm gonna apply it on the edges to create a umber kind of effect on my lips. And here I'm using Color Bar setting spray to set my base. And yeah, here is the final look. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.